Welcome to the Congaree River, a vital resource in South Carolina that supports a diverse ecosystem and provides recreational opportunities for our community. But beneath its surface lies a troubling reality: pollution. In recent years, studies have shown alarming levels of toxins and pollutants, such as PFAS, affecting this waterway. This isn't just an environmental issue. It impacts our health, wildlife, and local economy. PFAS are man-made chemicals found in products like nonstick cookware, food packaging, and stain-resistant fabrics. Known as forever chemicals, they don't break down easily and pose serious health risks, including increased cholesterol levels, immune system issues, and certain cancers. And they not only degrade water quality, but also threaten various sources. Industrial discharges, firefighting foams from airports and military bases, leaching from landfills, agricultural runoff, and urban runoff are all sources of PFAS. Understanding PFAS is essential for protecting our water sources. By advocating for better regulations and cleanup efforts, we can help safeguard the Congaree River and promote a healthier environment for all.
The health of the Congaree River is crucial for biodiversity as well as freshwater resource for South Carolina residents. Species like the American eel, turtles, fish, various migratory birds, and many more depend on clean water for survival. If we don't take action, we risk losing these vital ecosystems.
Each basin along these three rivers consists of multiple surface water sites, some of which are used for drinking water. The most recent round of the surface water testing has shown very concerning results. In the Broad Basin, 26 of the 36 sites tested exceed the EPA's proposed limit for either the PFOA or the PFOs, and 14 exceeded both of the chemicals. In the Saluda River Basin, 23 of the 33 sites topped the requirements, and all but 3 of those exceeded both. The portion of the Broad River in Columbia had about 8 parts per trillion PFOA and 7 parts per trillion PFOs, about twice as high as they should be under the proposed federal guidelines. Nearby creeks are also affected.
Research shows that pollutants can accumulate in fish, making them unsafe to eat. According to a recent study, contaminants have been found at levels that pose risks not to just wildlife, but also to human health. For example, toxins can lead to reproductive issues in fish and can cause waterborne diseases in humans.
Here we have local expert Adam Jaffe to give us some more information on PFAS.
Recent findings indicate that toxic substances are being deposited into the rivers from various sources upstream, including industrial runoff. These toxic substances, or PFAS, can lead to serious health risks if not regulated. Pollution in the Congaree River has significant implications for public health, particularly for communities that rely on this water source for drinking and recreation. PFAS beyond the EPA's recommended limits can lead to some serious health risks.
So what can we do to protect the Congaree River? Here are some steps supported by research.
Reducing plastic use. Switching to reusable bags, bottles, and containers can dramatically cut down on plastic waste entering the river. Studies show that reducing plastic use by just 50% could decrease river pollution levels significantly.
Choosing eco-friendly products. Opt out for products free from harmful chemicals, such as PFAS. Studies have demonstrated that reducing the use of these substances can lower contamination levels in our waterways.
Support local legislation. Advocate for stronger regulations on industrial discharges and urban runoff. Research indicates that stricter policies lead to measurable improvements in water quality. We need to have stronger policies to enforce the regulation of chemical amounts of PFAS in our water ecosystem, and have more severe punishments for industries contributing to the high amounts.
The Congaree River is a resource worth protecting. By working together, we can minimize pollution and ensure that the river remains a healthy habitat for wildlife and a safe place for our community. As we move forward, consider these 2 questions. What specific actions can our community take to address pollution in the Congaree River? And how can we effectively engage local industries in reducing their environmental impact?